Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 20 minus 20 times 10 divided by 20. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. As we know, multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction, and also multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So first this multiplication, then this division, and finally this subtraction. Okay, 20 times 10 gives us 200. So we have 20 minus 200 divided by 20. Now this division, 200 divided by 20, which equals 10. So we have 20 minus 10, and 20 minus 10 is just 10. So our final answer to this problem is just 10.